Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Search in Alibaba. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Alibaba and how to find the product that you want in Alibaba. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Alibaba. So this video is very helpful if you want to find a specific kind of product. So the first thing you want to do is when you open up your Alibaba, click here in the search. As you can see, click search. After clicking on search, type in the item that you want. For example, let's say jelly ace. Oh no, wait, let's try door. There we go. And when you're here, you can choose, you can filter it of what kind of door you want, or the price, or if you want it to be guaranteed, like right here, verified supplier, door material. You can choose steel, glass, or anything depending on what door you want. And you can also search by sales and relevance. And not only that, you can also sort it here when you want it to be delivered. Right there. How about let's try another item. Let's try a mouse. There we go. Okay, so right here, I found a gaming mouse. So, if you don't want the looks of the mouse, you can search here the styles of the mouse and put in gaming mouse. There you go. Then show result. Now you can filter it out by sale volume. There you go. And let's choose the verified supplier so we won't get scammed. And there you go. As you can see, on the right and on the left is the perfect mouse for you. So yeah, there you go guys. I hope you liked the video and I hope you guys enjoyed. And a little tip for you guys, if you have this product, the specific product that you want, you can use the camera mode. So where is that? Next to the search icon, right there. Click on it. After clicking on it, X that. Now allow, and there you go. Picture it. Picture the product. And there you go. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video and hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.